So for what value of x does this function have a relative maximum? Now, guys, the second derivative test does not always work. Okay, but I'm going to try to use it because it's kind of faster than the number line test, but you could use the number line test also. So if I'm going to use the second derivative test, and in the document where this problem is, if you scroll up, I summarize both types of tests for you for relative extrema. But if I have a relative max, I'm looking for two things. Okay, well, this only works if we have a smooth relative max. And I need two things to be true in this case. I need f prime to be 0, and I need f double prime. So this is concave down. So if f is concave down, then f double prime is negative. Okay, so if I have a relative max, I need both of those two things to happen. All right, so let me find f prime first. So f prime of x, I'm going to need product rule. Now, I'm going to do, okay, guys, use brackets if you want to. I'm not going to use the brackets. I'm just going to go for it. Actually, no, let me use the brackets in case it helps anyone. So this is product rule, remember? Okay, and then x minus 2 goes in there, x minus 3 squared, x minus 2, x minus 3 squared. Okay, so f prime of x. Derivative of this is just 1. This just comes down. Nope, that's a 3. Plus, this just comes down. And then the derivative of this is, the derivative of the inside is 1. And then the derivative of the outside is 2 blank to the first. And it's x minus 3 that goes in there. Okay, now, so we've got x minus 3 squared plus x minus 2, I'll put the 2 in front, 2 x minus 2, x minus 3. Now, guys, you might take a look at this and think that you need to distribute. But it turns out, guys, that you don't really need to distribute because, look at this. If you look at this as one term, and this is another term, so if you didn't get this problem, it could have just been an algebra issue here. If you look at those two terms, they both share a factor of x minus 3. So you can take out an x minus 3, and then you're left with a single x minus 3 plus 2 x minus 2. So this is x minus 3. And then right here, we've got, so this is 2x minus 4. And then you can combine like terms. So this is 3x minus 7. Okay. So our critical numbers are x equals 3 and x equals 7/3. Okay, so 3 and 7, oh, actually, oh my gosh, look at that. Guys, 3, positive 3 is not even a choice. It's not even a choice. So that means that 7/3 is our only option because they don't have one that's like none of these. So boom, I'm just going to circle it because they don't even have the other option. Okay, great. Yeah. So that was more of like some, people really needing to know, look for this factoring form. You could easily just distribute everything and then you'll get a quadratic, like x squared, ax squared plus bx plus c, and then you could factor it from there, but it's much faster if you see this. Okay, and guys, if you want to practice factoring like this, then say so in the survey, in the end of class survey, and I can put together some practice for you. Okay.